Hello students, Namaskar. Hope you all are safe and well. I am Dishita Kabir and I am going to teach you English grammar subject. And I know that some of you don't have grammar textbook, but it's alright. I'll be sending you the PDF of grammar textbook from where you can study. So this is the Wow English grammar textbook, Wow Grammar and Composition. So let us start our first chapter. Open page number 1, alphabetical order. Before we start the chapter, let me explain you few of the syllabus split terminology. In MA1, we are going to read 3 chapters: alphabetical order, sentences, yes and no, questions. So let us start with the first chapter, alphabetical order. Recall the order in which letters appears in the alphabets is called the alphabetical order. As you all know that earlier in second standard also we had learned about alphabetical order. The learning objective of this chapter is, by the end of this chapter, you people will be able to know how to identify the alphabetical order of letters as well as the words. So let's start. Words are arranged by looking the order of this first letter. Like cat. Cat start with C. The words which is starting with the red icon, it shows that in alphabet it is coming first. C, like CAT, cat. So C is coming first. That's why we had written CAT, cat first. After that DOG, dog. Then elephant. After DE comes, so we had written elephant. Then after EF comes, so we had written frog. After F we had written giraffe. Come to the first question, that is, write the following words in the alphabetical order. One has been done for you. Here, the first one is sun, eye, car and top. What we have to do is, we need to arrange it by alphabetical order. Here, first one is already been done for you. As you can see, the first word is car because C comes first in alphabetical order. Then the second one is I because E comes after D in alphabetical order. And D word we don't have. D का कोई भी word हमारे पास नहीं है, इसलिए हमने E को लिया है and E का हमारे पास word है, that is I. Then the next one is sun and the next one is TOP, top. Come to the second question. Second question I had already done over here. But before we see the answers, let us come to the questions. The first one is wife. Second word is girl. Third word is uncle. And the next one is aunt. As we all know that the first word in alphabetical order start with A. So we will search the word which start with A. Here the word which start with A is aunt. So we will write in first dash aunt. Then the second word B. We will search B word. If the B word is not there, we will search for C word. If C word is not there, we will search for D. And likewise we will go vice versa. Now the next word which can be written over here is girl. So we will write girl because C in alphabetical order, B, C, D, E, F. There is no word of B, C, D, E, F. So we will be writing the word which is starting with G. Yes, the word G is here, girl. So we can write that word girl over here. Now the next word is uncle and wife. Let us see which words come first. See here, the word which is starting with U can be written over here. So we can write uncle here. Then we will write the word wife at the end. Likewise, we have to do this exercise. You can see here that in C1, bird, beak, boat, bull. Each and every word is starting with B. So what we can do is, we can see the second word. Yes, we are going to see the second words. कैसे हम second word देखेंगे? क्योंकि सारे words B से start हो रहे हैं, इसलिए हम second word को देखेंगे कि second वाला word कौन से letter से start हो रहा है. जिस भी लेटर से ये स्टार्ट होगा उस लेटर को हम अल्फाबेटिकल वाइज अरेंज करके आगे लिखेंगे. नाउ सी हियर, इन दिस B will come first, then because it is starting with BEAK, there is no word with BA. if A से कोई भी वर्ड नहीं है B के बाद, इसलिए हम डायरेक्ट E पे जा रहे हैं. B और C और D से भी कोई भी वर्ड नहीं है. E का वर्ड दिया हुआ है, B के बाद E दिया है, so we will write the first word beak. Then the next one we will write bird. यस, ई के बाद हम देखेंगे F, G, H और I से कोई भी वर्ड नहीं दिया है, इसलिए हम लिखेंगे BIRD bird. Then we will write with BOAT boat and then we will write bull. Yes, D1 is again the same situation, hut, house, hen and hat. यहाँ पे हमारे पास H वाले 4 वर्ड्स दिए हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे सबसे पहला वर्ड लिखेंगे HAT हैट, बिकॉज A अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में पहले आता है. उसके बाद हम देखेंगे B, C, D से कोई वर्ड है क्या? नहीं है, लेकिन E से है, दैट इज hen. सो वी विल राइट hen. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हाउस एंड द नेक्स्ट वी विल राइट hut. होप दिस एक्सरसाइज इज easy and you people are understanding the concept. Come to the next one. Dog, cat, rat and bat. This one is quite easy for you क्योंकि सारे words अलग अलग लेटर से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, तो ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए थोड़ा easy है. So let us see how you can arrange. The first word is going to come is CAT cat. The next one which is going to come is, sorry, here the first word which is going to come is bat. Yes, bat, because B comes before C. So we will write BAT bat first, then CAT cat, then DOG dog, and the next is RAT rat. Yes. Come to the second question. In second question, what you have to do is complete the word below with the missing letters, then arrange the words in the alphabetical order in your notebook. Notebook means here in textbook only we need to do it. One has been done for you. The first, that is table, it is already written. Now come to the second word, DO-KEY. In your book DO-KEY would be written. Here I had solved this book, so my answers are also visible to you. So first word is DONKEY, donkey. The second word is cupboard. Third word which you need to write is D, that is window. Then E, umbrella. F, that is sofa. G, that is face. H, the word is shoe. I, the word is picture. J, the word is morning. K, the word is prince. Come to page number 2, question number 3. Question number 3 is your homework. What you need to do is write the words in the alphabetical order. One has been done for you. These are the words. You need to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Like A after which letter comes? B. So आपको B का वर्ड ढूंढना है and वो वर्ड को आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Okay, now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is your class activity. So we will do this activity in our classroom. Come to question number 5. Work in pair. Make your mini dictionary with these words. First arrange them alphabetically, then find their meaning. One has been done for you. पहले हमें जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, हमें इन वर्ड्स को अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर वाइज अरेंज करना है. आफ्टर दिस हमें इसके मीनिंग्स निकालने हैं. आफ्टर दिस वी नीड टू सॉल्व इट. हाउ वी नीड टू सॉल्व? लुक हियर. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज बी. बिकॉज ए का कोई भी वर्ड नहीं दिया हुआ है, इसलिए हमने बी लेटर का वर्ड लिया है. दैट इज ब्लैंकेट, अ थिक कवर दैट कीप्स अस वार्म इन बेड. नाउ सी का वर्ड दिया है. येस, हियर इट इज. दैट इज क्लाउन. सो वी विल राइट दिस क्लाउन हियर. along with its meaning. What is the meaning of clown? A person who performs to make people laugh. Yes, a clown is a joker. Now the next word is D. D letter का कोई भी word नहीं दिया है, so we will go for GH. GH letter का भी कोई भी word नहीं दिया है, so we will go for I. Yes, the word with I is given, that is island. Island, a piece of land that is surrounded by water. After this we need to search for the another letter word, and that another letter word is kitten, a baby cat. Why we had taken K? Because J का कोई भी word नहीं है, that's why we had taken K. जिस भी लेटर का कोई भी वर्ड ना हो उस लेटर्स को हमें स्किप कर देना है. Now come to the next one, that is library, a room in a house or school used for storing books and reading books. After that, picnic, eating a meal outside as a group. After that, the next word is scarf, a piece of cloth that you wear around your neck. Then after trouser, trouser means kind of pant. After this exercise will get over. Come to question number 6. Question number 6 is your homework. It's very easy, my dear students. What you have to do is you need to arrange them alphabetically. Like A का word पहले आता है, so we will write A for autumn here. Then which word comes, S or W? Then we need to see it and we need to write in these two blanks. Likewise, we need to finish this exercise. This exercise is your homework, and tomorrow later on we are going to discuss this exercise.